This is Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com, and today we are gonna clean this beautiful RV. Our car is our car is outside. That's cool. This is bunk beds that we have to vacuum on top. Vacuum the floor, clean the windows, and clean 1.5 bathroom. Yeah, you can see there is dust, grime, window sills, floor, this half bathroom, lights. Somebody's calling me. Kitchen. Microwave. A lot of dust. Refrigerator. Wipe. How to open this? These mites. Mite. It smells bad. I'm gonna start putting some product here. I bought this air freshener and moisture absorbent pine-sol that if you use concentrated it will kill all the germs. I will bring our vacuum, our attachments, one room here, all the cabinets, the toilet, all the cabinets. Remove the dust, glass, and wipe all the cabinets inside. It's big RV, but the thing is, some cobwebs right there. Another bed upstairs. It's kind of tiny. And let's work right now. We are in the RV in the refrigerator, and there is some mites here. In order to clean it, everything is secure because it's an RV. You cannot remove like that as a regular refrigerator. So I'm using a screwdriver and try to lose the screw so I can remove the shelf and clean it, because do you see right there? If I don't clean it, it's gonna smell. and it's gonna be more mites here. So another screw that I'm gonna hold it here. Now I can remove the shelf and I can clean properly. I have a little toothbrush. Where is my sponge? Have to clean it and deodorize. This is why I'm using Pine-Sol, because it will disinfect all the area too. Let me remove the other shelf. Might. Let's see if I can remove this. Yeah. I'm working with one hand, so I'm gonna continue recording later, okay? Remember that we are in the RV, so everything needs to be secure. There is another screw here, right here. I already removed the other side. So if I remove the screw, I can be able to take out the shelf. Makes sense. Okay, come on, baby. Good. Oof. Yeah. I had to remove it and clean it on the sink. The freezer, there is a lot of water, and I didn't bring my chalk bag, so I'm using a sponge. The sponge is gonna absorb water, and I'm gonna put it inside the container. Full of water. It takes more time. I didn't know that. So next time I will have ready my chopper. These are little things that in 2 seconds with a chop bag, it takes you like 5 minutes to do this. And time is money, you know? If you finish quickly and efficient, you earn more money, you know? So don't wish that things are easy. Wish that you have the ability to be more efficient. Something like that. Jim Rohn says something like that. I remember. Don't ask for things to be easy or easier. Ask for more capacity, right? To be more efficient. Thanks God they put the AC for me because it's hot. The bottom part is almost clean. All the shelf I have to clean it. All those flies. Right. More water here. Let's clean it, okay? It's kind of a sponge. It can go under whatever surface. Really practical. Wonderful. Perfect. I love it. I'm drying the surface. I clean it, sanitize, or disinfect with the Pine-Sol. Now I'm drying my surface. This RV or motor home. It's really expensive. It's more expensive than my own house. Perfect. Beautiful. Now I have to put back the racks on the shelf. this area. Alright, it's done. Now I'm gonna put the shelf. Put back the screws. They are here. Let me do it, okay? Okay. This plastic cup goes here. Do you see that? It goes here. Okay. So it will sustain the plastic shelf. Ching ching. Dun, dun. Good baby. Good. Let me do it with my one hand, okay? Okay. There we go. Come on. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, all the shelf needs to be really secure because this little house is gonna move to the road. Okay. A little bit more. Come on, baby, do. Good, baby. Excellent. Done. Now, time to sanitize the shelf. This is rust. Right there. So here it goes. It's like that, right? Okay. Right there. Let me secure the screw. Come on, baby. little bit more, a little bit more. Come on. So now it's secure. Let's clean the other one. In love with this motorhome or RV. Everything is clean and sanitized. This family deserves a really sanitized and clean refrigerator. No mites, no flights. Mites. Fruit flights or whatever it's called. You press here and you open. Beautiful. I just need to clean it outside. The brand is Nord Cold. You press here and you open. All the shelves are clean. Inside the rails are clean. And you open it. Love it. Okay, one less thing less. Gonna start on top, inside the microwave stove. I need a small ladder. Okay, I'm cleaning this area where the bunk beds are, the windows. It's a lot of detail. I already cleaned this, but this window open. And you can clean the whole window. It's like a Tilden. This RV is a luxury RV. Beautiful. Perfect. AC works fantastic. 73. I'm putting the bed up in order to clean those two windows. This is the best RV that I ever cleaned. I cleaned so many, but this is the best of the best. Okay. Do you see? Compare that one to this one. It's clean. The first time I'm using a cloth, cleaning the edges of the glass. The window sill. It sounds like a spire, like a spire, something like that. A lot of dust. you can clean really easy this area. In other RVs, the windows doesn't open that wide. Beautiful, beautiful. I don't know how much it costs, but it must cost a lot of money. So imagine that you are cleaning, like a detailed cleaning a car. Just regular car, I don't know, 120, regular car, right? Cleaning an RV, I don't know. Have to check my hours. I'm gonna check my hour. Good baby. Okay. It's getting dark. And I just finished the kitchen and the living room. A lot of cabinets. This RV has a wood like molding. Beautiful. Those glasses needs to have a screen. Must be outside the screen. Let's do the other one. Do you see? This window has a screen. The other screen is outside. Like an emergency exit, I guess. Don't want to break it, so let's see. This is like the back of the RV. Next time that I do RV, I will bring my chop bag. It will be easier. Dust. this room separate with a glass. I already cleaned the glass. Cool, right? Another door. I just figured it out. You put the screen when the glass is open, like this, and then you close. Cool. I just finished to clean it, and the bed converted in a sofa. Cool. Cool. And you can put it up as a sofa. I'm gonna put it up again because I have to mop the floor. Cool. Amazing. I love it. So I already finished vacuum, and I'm mopping right now the floor. This is a rubber floor.